Hello guys, this is a quick video unbox of the Wyze Video Doorbell. So I got this from Amazon. Okay, let's just open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so here we have two boxes and another device here. This is a Chime. Okay, just come with the extra box just to hold it in place, but it's just a regular Chime. It's called Wyze Chime. You're gonna use it, and you're gonna also use your existing Chime to connect the device, right? So here it comes with a quick start guide, as always, with all the information that you need for installation, what's in the box, download app, installation. Okay, so let's put this aside and check what is in the box. Here we have something for installation. Let me just remove it. Here we go. So basically anchors, cables, screws, and wire nuts. So you can do all your installation. And here I have something else. Let me check what it is. Okay, this is the wedge. So if you need to give an angle for the installation, use this with your doorbell, okay? And here probably is the doorbell itself. Here we go. I have a space here so you can push it. And it's pretty small, right? As you can see it. Let's just open it up. Here we go. The Wyze Video Doorbell. It's pretty nice. And here at the back, you have information about the video doorbell. Input 16 to 24 volts. And with 10 volt ampere. Have all the information that you need here for installation, configuration, MAC address, and everything else. A reset button here at the top. And here you can connect your Chime. Okay, so pretty simple. Okay, comes everything in the box that you need for installation. And that's it.